Do you guys love applying nail polish? There's nothing worse than applying your favorite coat of nail polish and when you step off the house, just smudging it somewhere. Hello sweethearts! I thought of dedicating my today's video to all the pretty ladies out there who simply love nail polish. There are times when you want to get dressed up for a night out or a date or spend a lot of time doing makeup and looking great. But we all tend to always forget our nails. If you have forgotten your nail polish on your nails and want to let your nails dry as soon as possible, don't worry, here's a quick fix by which even after applying nail polish you can dry your nails within a span of almost 2 minutes. So here is how you do it. Step number 1. Paint your nails with your favorite nail color. Step number 2. Take a bowl of ice cold water and dip your nails in for 2 minutes. That's it, just 2 steps. Great, you guys have done it. Now here's a quick trick to dry your nails as well. All you need to do is grab a blow dryer and keep it at least 6 inches away from your nails to dry off your nail polish at your wrist. Also, make sure that you don't keep the blow dryer too close or else your nails would get too hot. Next time before stepping out of the house, do remember to try this trick so that you can look simply glam. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys in my today's video and have a great week ahead. Until we meet next, it's all about being beautiful. Bye!